How to claim travel insurance from your Chase Sapphire Preferred. Want to file a travel insurance claim with your Chase Sapphire Preferred card? Here's how to do it step by step. First, gather all your supporting documents like receipts, medical bills, police reports, or proof of delay or cancellation. Next, log into your Chase account online or open the Chase mobile app. Go to the Benefits and Rewards section for your Sapphire Preferred card. Find the Travel Insurance or Protection section like Trip Cancellation or Interruption Insurance. Click the link that says File a Claim or Start a Claim online. Chase may redirect you to the Benefits Administrator's portal. This is often an external site that handles the travel insurance. Create an account there if you're a first-time user. Fill out the claim form with your personal info, card number, trip dates, and a description of what happened. Upload all supporting documents, receipts, proof of purchase, travel itinerary, and any official reports. Review everything to make sure all the information and documents are correct, then submit the claim and note your claim number for follow-up. Most claims are processed within a few weeks, but you can always check the status on the administrator's portal or call customer support. And that's it. That's how you claim travel insurance with your Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Thanks for watching.